Hello friends, on this video I'm going to show you how you can edit your controllers on your mobile phone. Suppose this is the control panel, and if you want to edit this one, suppose you want to edit this touch to on the upside and this mobile data, how you can edit and how you can activate, right? So to edit and activate, from here you can see this setting. See, you have to tap on setting. When you tap on setting, from here you have to scroll on the down, and here you can see is the control center. So here you have to tap on control center. Then from here you can see the include controls, and here is the more controls. Okay, so if you want to add from here more controllers, okay, on your center, then from here suppose home. Okay, I want to add low power mode, so I just click on plus icon, and here low power mode will be added. Okay, and if you want to remove from here the cameras, just click on this minus option and click on remove. Here your camera will be removed from this panel. Okay, and if you want to remove from here the option of the dark mode accessibility shortcut, you can remove. Okay, if you want to remove this calculator, just click on this minus options, then click on remove, and from here also it will be removed. Okay, see there is remove, it has been removed. Okay, you too, you can remove easily like this. Okay, and you can add also the controllers inside the control center, okay, on the panels. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.